Okay, we have a lot of errands today, but before we can get started, actually we just went to the dentist this morning to pick up a new mouth guard for Hero, and then we're having Mang Inasal. And here's our dessert. We have crema de leche and buko pandan. Hero finishing. You're at Mang Inasal. All right, this is the Mang Inasal, and it's in the middle of the afternoon, about 11:30, almost 12 o'clock, and look how it's mostly empty. So this is what the Mang Inasal looks like during a pandemic. Before pandemic, this place would be packed, and there would be lines across, lines outside. But now, as you can see, not that many people. A lot of it has to do because people don't have any jobs. Next is it's very inconvenient because there's all this social distancing. You can't sit right next to each other. And I can tell the quality of the chicken has gone down also. Before they used to be big and juicy. Now they're kind of small and shriveled up. So I said it was like pandemic chicken. I didn't vlog about it. I should have vlogged about it and said, look at the state of this chicken before and after. But anyway, that's what we're up to right now, and we'll continue the vlog. Okay, true believers, we are doing one of our errands today, and we are here at Anson's. I always get Abinson's and Anson's confused. So our refrigerator, after 13 years of loyal service, has finally died. So we have decided to go with this Hitachi. The reason why we wanted the Hitachi was because it's Japanese made. It's not Korean made, it's not Chinese made, it's Japanese. And we like the features in it. One of the features is it's an inverter, so it's supposed to save a lot of electricity. And we got it in this color actually to match with our other appliances. Our appliances is stainless, has that stainless steel look. So let's look at the features. So if you buy this cash plus delivery, was actually we got another discount of 52,000 plus 500 pesos delivery. So 52,500 pesos all in. I repeat, 52,500 pesos all in, 500 pesos for the delivery, 52,000 cash. So let's look at the features it has. It has dual fan cooling with dual sensing control, high power inverter. So it's got two fans. Energy saving, powerful cooling, stabilizer free, long cold keeper, 12 hours. And the reason why we got this is we wanted to get the two doors. So if you want something frozen over here, you don't have to bend down. And it's got pretty good space. So if you look over here, they've got this ice maker. So you pull this out, pour some water in there, push it back in, then just twist it, and then the ice comes out here. Put it in properly. I'm gonna do this in one take. There. I'm gonna do this in one take. I'm gonna do this one-handed in one take, whether you like it or not. I'm doing this one-handed with one take. I'm sitting here struggling with this. I'm gonna have to edit this out. Edit. Okay, I had to use two hands to stabilize this part because every time I pushed this in, it was moving around, so I needed two hands for this. Okay, so lots of shelves, adjustable. So put your vegetables in here, over here. So it's got shelves over here, so lots of space for your frozen food, ice cream. Then over here on this side is the supposed to have the nano titanium antibacterial, anti-mold, and deodorizing effect. Powerful deodorizer. So you got fish. Oh, you look! Turn on the light. That's nice. LED ba yung light, yung ilaw? So it's LED. And they could you put your big bottles here. Big shelves. So that's nice of them to turn it on. And here's the important specs. It's 220, 240 volts. Current 1.2, and the rated power input, as you can see, it's 145 watts, and the defrosting input is 150 watts. So I was told that that's pretty low, so we focused in on this particular model because of the price saving, the electricity, the inverter features, and Hero he didn't want to bend down to get his snacks, so we got this dual door over here, so his snacks are up here. He could either, if it's regularly refrigerated or regularly frozen, he didn't want to have to bend down with the bottom storage or a top storage, so he wanted it right down the middle so he can just get his snacks easily with the dual doors. Easy access. Then you get your energy saving here, it looks like. Quick freezing, freezer temperature. What is that? Oh, you could pick the freezer temperature. Maybe I'll ask for a tutorial. Quick cooling, child lock. So if you don't want any kids messing around with it, you press this down for 5 seconds. But energy saving, quick freezing temperature. So it's already, looks like it's already preset over here. I don't know what this is. Refrigerator temperature, either 1, 7, 6, 5. I mean, it's pretty much idiot proof, as you can see. It's either 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you could pick 7. Over here you could pick pretty much 22 is the highest. Okay, so you just put quick freezing, energy saving. So that's pretty much it. Nothing to it. These are the available colors. All for $52,000. We also needed to get a toaster oven. Our other toaster oven finally died. So these are the kind of things that went wrong while I was incapacitated. The fridge finally died, so we had to get a new fridge. We have a temporary fridge and we needed something long term, so we got this one. Something for the long haul. So we wanted to avoid the Korean and the Chinese and the local brands, so we stuck to Hitachi. So that's the errands that I'm doing today, is buying a refrigerator here at Anson's. Anson's, not Abinson's. Paliwanag mo ulit.
Normal na temperature po sa freezer, negative 19. Tapos sa ref po, 3 degrees Celsius.
Okay, bakit linagay nila, bakit posible yung 20, 21, 22,
Kung gusto niyo lang sir, nasa inyo yun sir. Kung gusto niyo, pinakamalamig nito kasi sa negative 23.
Oh,
Tapos
okay.
pinakamahina, negative 15. Yung
Okay.
normal sa gitna, negative 19. Pinakamalamig dito sir, 1 degrees. Pinaka hindi, 7. Normal sir, 3 degrees Celsius.
So 19 and 3,
Yes po. Yun yung normal na.
and then hindi natin kailangan to, energy
Pag
saving.
magbabakasyon kayo sir, pwede gamitin nyo yun sir.
Ano mangyayari pag palagi namin on yan, energy saving?
Humihina sir yung yung lamig ng freezer tsaka ref. maapektuhan yung mga laman yun, sir.
Okay, so huwag mo gamitin ito.
Apo. Kasi kung gusto nyo double yung lamig sa freezer or double yung lamig sa ref, quick cool.
So if you naglagay ka dyan and gusto mo, and hanggang kailan yan yung quick freezing? Meron ba siyang timer?
Ito sir, pag i-on nyo siya, mga 3 hours yung yung tatagal.
And then tapos
Pagkatapos
mag-shut off?
siya, mag-shut off na.
So automatically shut off. So
Yes.
isang beses lang katulad dito. Quick cooling. After
Yes, sir.
3 hours, it'll turn itself off.
Okay sir, okay sir.
Okay. Have any other questions? Any other presentation?
Wala naman na sir. Child lock lang sir, para sa ano? Sa...
Hindi namin kailangan. Wala kang maliit na bata. Here we're here at Anson's. The Anson's. Look how huge this TV is. 85-inch for 170,000 pesos. I would love to get something this big, but we hardly everything I watch now is just on my laptop or iPad or on my phone. So this is not just something back in my younger days when we used to watch a lot of movies, this would be perfect, but when Blu-rays and DVDs were very popular still, but now everything is streaming, and this big huge screen like this just doesn't make sense. But that's what's available here at Evanson's. Okay. We're also getting a stove for the dirty kitchen. It's just temporary. It's only $30. Our stove started acting up, so I said, you know what, let me get a temporary one for now until we can come to the LPG hose clamp. We got Mick helping us out. I don't really know if it's got
Tapos yung po sir,
the hose.
kailangan talaga ng regulator.
Regulator. Okay, but it's got the iron,
Tapos cast iron. Then,
cast iron.
ito yung pinaka-paa po niya. Sa,
got the feet.
yeah, four side. Try na lang po natin yung ignition niya. Ito po.
Nakikita mo?
Wait lang po. Ayun po, dito po pala yung yung ignition po niya.
Yeah.
Yan po.
Hold on.
Then ito naman po yung sa kabilang side.
Saan mo nakikita yung ignition?
Ayun po, yung parang spark.
See if I can catch that. There, you see the spark? There. Got it.
Ayun po.
The other one is okay?
Apo, ito rin po. Ayun po.
There, I see it.
Meron po.
I see it right there. In the middle. There. Okay, the spark's fine. Just need to get a regulator and we're good to go. Asahi for 1,500 pesos. Here at Anson's with Mick. Say hello, Mick.
Hi.
Hey everyone, we're here at Jerry's Grill. We're having grilled squid, one of my favorites. Sometimes they're a little chewy, just depends, but I love eating here at Jerry's Grill because they always have good food. Here we got pinakbet and sisig. So that's what we're having for dinner after running all our errands here at Jerry's Grill. And the pièce de résistance de crisipata. So we have the crisipata, pinakbet, grilled squid, pork sisig, and we It's I forgot what these are called. Chili cheese sticks. Chili cheese sticks. Hey, bon appetit. Dig in. Wow, look at that. After almost 3 years, I finally had my crispy pata. I've been craving it because I would watch TV. We see like commercials for all kinds of food, and this was like my biggest craving. So finally, we were able to get a hold of, some crispy pata. So clean up the bone, but everything was good. The pinakbit was good. Yeah. Sisig, squid, everything was gone. So it's good. Look, Jerry's Grill is always an industry standard. I always come here, and I'll come here again. So, and we were pretty hungry. It's been, it was like 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 11:30 when we had manginasal, which is nothing compared to this. That was like over 5-6 hours ago. So that's the update. So I'll post this vlog later on tonight when we get home. BebotsOnly, thanks for watching. Okay, Hero enjoyed the sisig so much, we got him another order. It's okay, he's a growing boy. When it comes to food, just let the kids just eat what they like. I mean, it's food. We all have to eat. Might as well enjoy it. Yes, and another order of squid. So like I said, anything for the kids. Like, the food is good here. And for dessert, we got taro milk tea and cookies and cream milk tea. Good stuff. Okay everyone, it's Friday night. We had a good meal over here at Jerry's Grill. It's great to be with family again. I missed it so much. Now I'm getting it all back again. Hello True Believers, this is BebotsOnly. We're doing another vlog, and today we had a lot of errands. And as you can probably see from the previous video, or I don't know if I'm going to add this video to the end of that video, this morning we went to the dentist. We went earlier last week, and one of the things we had done was we had an impression created because Hero is getting serious with his football. It's no longer a hobby for him. It's his passion. So what we did was, normally what I would do is make an impression, and then what I would do is have the Sisu mouth guards that I would make before, and make an impression out of it, because it's and use this, have an impression made, and because it's too hard to do it, to make the Sisu mouth guard, so without this. So this time we decided to ask the dentist. We asked the doctor to make him have a custom mouth guard made from this impression. So here in the Philippines, what you could do is you can go to a dentist and they can get an impression made like this, and out of this impression make a custom mouth guard. And I have some experience when it comes to making impressions. Of course, I haven't done a dental impression, but I've done other impressions. And how you can tell if you have a good impression or not is the detail that's caught. As you could see the little details that's in the if you could see these kind of little details, then it's a good impression. I mean, most dentists are very experienced in these kind of things because they make impressions all the time. So if they have a lot of experience. So this is Hero's teeth, impression of his teeth anyway. As you can see, they look pretty solid. They're very well, they're healthy. There's no weird spaces or weird they're not in any weird angles or anything like that. So he's and there's no cavities. So he acquired his teeth from me. I'd like to think he did, but he's got good technique, and we take him to the dentist all the time, every at least 6 months, regularly on a regular basis, and we do preventative treatments like we used to do fluoride before, but not as much anymore. But we also do sealing. So we have some of the crevices sealed. But anyway, so this is the impression, and then over here is the custom mouth guard. So the mouth guard. So this is pretty sturdy. I assume this is the ones that the professional athletes use, because it's, as you can see, it's pretty hard. It's not a soft gel. It's a pretty decent plastic. I mean, it's hard, but not too hard where it's too uncomfortable. So he tried it on, and of course it's custom, so it fits perfectly. And he's used to it, and he doesn't like playing without it, because at any moment you can get an elbow to the face, or you can get a headbutt to your teeth and then lose all your teeth. So this is a practical, excellent investment. And these things are not cheap. They're 6,000 pesos. I repeat, 6,000 pesos. But I think that includes the impression, so we were able to get it. If you ask for it, no, sometimes some dentists don't like to give away their impressions, but this one gladly gave it to us because we paid for it. I think it's part of the 6,000 pesos deal to get the custom mouth guard. So as you could see, it looks pretty good. The only weird thing about it is it's kind of, as you can see, it's not very symmetrical. I think this side is longer, but from the impression, I think because the molars over here are not as defined when the impression was made, so it was kind of cut short, versus this one was more defined. So as you could see, why, it fits perfectly, like so. So like I said, Hero tried it on earlier, and he said it fit fine, and he's pretty happy and excited. So as you can see, this one kind of was short, and this one kind of extended. So he's pretty happy with it, and we're pretty happy, because just like health comes first, safety definitely comes first. So when it comes to safety gear, when you're doing any sport, any contact sport at all, except probably golf or bowling or ping pong, then you don't need a mouth guard. But when it comes to serious contact sports like football, rugby, soccer, basketball, then you definitely need to invest in a good pair of custom mouth guards. And then, so safety first, so one less thing for you to worry about. Anyway, I just want to let you know that this is what I've been up to. I've been making up for lost time with my family, and so I wanted to take care of my family first. Don't worry, I have a lot of unfinished business with a lot of people, and it's on my list. Don't worry, but of course, family health comes first, family comes first. So as you could see, that I went to the nurse and got some treatment. Like I said, I even had these weird COVID spots. So not just so, but when you're in those kind of close knit quarters, you're kind of prone to a lot of contamination, for lack of a better word. But anyway, that's what I'm up to today. As usual, I'm busy, and these are the kind of errands I need to get done. These are things that I couldn't have, normally I would do over time, but since I have been indisposed for the last almost 3 years, I'm finally getting caught up and getting some the list. I have a list of things to do. Is one is take care of take care of Hero and his football. I know there's no face-to-face training right now, no school right now, but that doesn't mean we can't start training on our own, and that's what we're going to be doing. I also start planning on making a football channel separately. Oh, what is that on my hand there? Why is it all red? Anyway, so we'll be doing that also. But like I said, the next few weeks, because with Christmas coming around the corner, I'll do my best to get as much vlogging as possible and to get everybody caught up. I know everybody has a lot of questions, and I will get to them as soon as possible. And I'm slowly growing the channel, because slowly, I think I've got like 50 plus subscribers already. So I'm slowly making my way, after a week of vlogging, I'm slowly making my way back to where I was before. Anyway, thanks for watching. I just wanted to update you that this is what's available in the Philippines if you're serious about any contact sports. I know if you're into like judo or karate or taekwondo or anything like that, you definitely want one of these, because the last thing you want is take an elbow to the face and knock all your teeth out. And you know, your teeth are forever. So once they can't be replaced. Or they can be, but of course it's not going to be as good as the natural teeth. Of course, just like me, I have all my teeth. Anyway, there is some messages for me that I need to go look at. And I will finish this vlog. But anyway, that's the update. So this vlog has gone long enough. At least you know what I was up to today, as well as appliance shopping. So a lot of things that I need to get caught up on. Anyway, this is BebotsOnly. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like, leave your comments, and thanks for watching. This is BebotsOnly. Okay, here's the delivery truck delivering the fridge. I said after 13 years of loyal service, our GE finally gave out. Now it's here. Okay, I'm gonna help them install it and bring it up. So uy, patayin yan, patay.
Yes, tayo. Nandiyan ka lang sa kakanan. Kabila. Urong dyan ang. Urong dyan. Wala. Sige pa. Expensive.
Ayan.
Oh.
Ayos. Na, sinaksak na ba?
Ay, 5 hours pa po sir, bago saksak sir.
Bakit?
Kaya pa po sa biyahe sir, naalog-alog eh.
Oh, okay. So 5 hours bago.
Sir.
There's the fridge. Signed, sealed, and delivered. So they said 5 hours until we can plug it in. Okay, we'll do that. So that's what it's like buying a fridge here in the Philippines and getting it delivered from Anson's. So we just have to wait 5 hours, and he says because it's been the delivery and it's been shaken around. So okay, we'll wait. Okay, well that's it. Let's take a picture. Okay, true believers, we finally got a chance to go outside, and this is Hero practicing his penalty kicks for the first time in 10 months. He's, as you can see, he's been out of shape. He's done online training, but that's just doing nothing except maybe calisthenics. So we finally got a chance to kick the ball around and get the cobwebs out, and my body's aching pretty bad from just like an hour or 2 hours of exercise. So we just want to let everybody know that we're slowly trying to get back into the swing of things. So so the next 3 to 6 months, when the pandemic is over, we're gonna try to get Hero into football shape again. But this is what we're up to. After we got the refrigerator today, we went out to the field finally and shoot some soccer balls here. That's what we're up to. Rocket a few. Take your time. Well, good enough. I mean, nobody else is practicing now. Nobody else is playing. So we're not going to overdo it. But it's just good to be back and practicing with our Hero again after almost 3 years.